The georeferencing tool in GeoClerk has been updated, so we can now georeference all maps and spatial geophysics, even from documents that don't have any spatial metadata attached to them. So to demonstrate doing that, I'll just go to some recent geochemistry maps. It's going to pick up something from that's been published on the ASX, and we can use that to demonstrate. So just take this first one from Firetail Resources. This is to find out where it is. We just need to have an idea of what project it is. So I'll just double click that to open up the thumbnail to full screen, and we can see it here down here. It mentions the picture project. So we'll use that. So if I click on the georeference button, because there's no spatial information, it's asking me for a starting location. So we've built a database of 7,000 or 8,000 projects globally, projects and deposits. So we can just start typing in that project and picture, and from Peru, got 2 entries for it. We'll just select the first one, and that'll put me in an approximate location for that project. Now that should be somewhere in Peru, which it looks like it is, and then we can just use one of the georeferencing options at the bottom to pinpoint exactly where this image is from. Now this one has XY coordinates, so we're going to use the control point mode, and it's as simple then as dropping in a couple of control points. So we'll drop one in here. That'll be 3, 4, 5, 000. 822 5 000, and then do the same thing for an opposite corner. The further away from the first point it is, the better. So we'll drop one about there, and that'll be 3 5 5 000 and 821. And there we go. It's now located that image. We'll just zoom in a little bit, and you can use the opacity now to show that it's in the right location. You can see some of the features in the background. This road down here shows it's in the right location. So it's as simple as that. Having done that, we can just save that reference. That will then go into our georeferenced images. You can also use the button on the left to download that as a GeoTIFF, which I've just done there, and that's now been downloaded. So I could open that up in QGIS or ARC, and it's that simple.